Welcome, and thank you for joining me. In this video, I'll guide you through 50 formal English phrases that make your communication smoother and more confident. Each phrase is explained in an easy, simple way so you understand it instantly. Let's begin. 1. I appreciate your time. A polite way to thank someone for meeting or speaking with you. 2. Thank you for your patience. Use this when someone waits for you or tolerates a delay. 3. I completely understand your concern. Shows empathy and professionalism. 4. Allow me to clarify. Use when you want to explain something again or more clearly. 5. If I may add to that, a polite way to give your input in a conversation. 6. At your earliest convenience. A respectful way to request something without sounding pushy. 7. I wanted to follow up on. Use an email or conversation to remind someone about a previous topic. 8. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. A very professional phrase when someone informs you of something important. 9. I will look into it. Means you will investigate or check the problem. 10. Please feel free to reach out. Use when you want to show you're available for help. 11. I apologize for the inconvenience. A formal apology, common in customer service or business. 12. I respect your opinion. Useful when you disagree but want to stay polite. 13. With all due respect, a gentle way to introduce disagreement. 14. That sounds reasonable. Shows agreement in a professional way. 15. I'll make sure it's taken care of. A confident assurance to handle a task. 16. I appreciate the update. A formal way to thank someone for new information. 17. Let me double-check that for you. Shows responsibility and accuracy. 18. I'm not certain, but I can find out. A respectful way to admit you don't know something. 19. I'll get back to you shortly. Means you'll respond soon, not immediately, but soon. 20. Thank you for your cooperation. Useful when working together to solve something. 21. I'd like to request your assistance. A formal way to ask for help. 22. Would you mind clarifying that? Politely ask someone to explain again. 23. That won't be necessary. A polite way to refuse help or decline something. 24. I appreciate your understanding. Use when you need someone to accept a situation. 25. Let's proceed. A formal way to say, let's continue. 26. I completely agree. Much more formal than, I agree. 27. I'll keep you informed. Means you will update someone regularly. 28. That's a valid point. Shows respect for someone's comment. 29. I'll take that into consideration. Means you will think about their idea seriously. 30. Is now a good time to talk? A polite, respectful opener for calls or conversations. 31. I'll need a moment to think. A formal way to pause without sounding unsure. 32. Please bear with me. Means, please be patient for a moment. 33. I'm happy to assist. Professional way to say you're willing to help. 34. That works for me. A clean, formal way to confirm agreement. 35. I'd prefer to handle this privately. Useful for sensitive topics. 36. I appreciate the opportunity. Common in business, interviews, and collaborations. 37. Let's touch base later. Formal phrase meaning, let's talk again soon. 38. I'll take responsibility for that. A professional phrase to accept accountability. 39. I understand the urgency. Shows you take the situation seriously. 40. Could you provide more details? Formal way to ask for more information. 41. I'll make a note of that. Means you won't forget what they said. 42. I'm open to suggestions. Encourages collaboration. 43. That's completely understandable. Shows empathy and support. 44. Let me know if anything changes. Keeps communication open. 45. I appreciate your honesty. A formal way to acknowledge truthful feedback. 46. I'll review it and let you know. Common in work conversations. 47. Could we revisit this later? Use when you need more time before discussing again. 48. I value your feedback. Shows you take their opinions seriously. 49. Thanks for your cooperation on this matter. Useful when solving issues together. 50. Please keep me updated. Polite. Professional request for future information. These were 50 formal English phrases you can use in everyday speaking, at work, in meetings, in emails, or even in polite daily conversations. Use them naturally, not all at once, and you'll sound clearer, more confident, and more professional in every conversation.